The Phantom 1939 and 1940 Graham Sharknose two-door sedans have come out of hiding. The first two-door sedan was purchased from Hollywood Carz in Las Vegas. The second one came from Long Island, New York, and the third one was just brought home from New Mexico in February. This all seems too good to be true, so fasten your seatbelts. We have the details coming up.
I began my investigation by visiting an automotive literature collector. The collector, a rather small, earnest fellow, pulled out a 1938 Graham catalog. He made a point of showing me a coupe that was never produced. "Later on, you will see why this is important," he said. I lit up a cigarette while he brought out a 1939 Graham catalog. I saw a phantom Graham artist rendering for the first time. He offered me a martini and produced his next brochure. "I'm sure you want to see the 1940 color brochure," he said. All he kept showing me were artist renderings of this phantom car. I was beginning to wonder if they were really phantoms. "Look closely at this page," he said. "Here is authoritative proof in this company newsletter that some of these cars were built," he noted. "Now you've got something. A real factory photograph of a car. They really aren't phantoms." He noted it is the only known factory photograph to date of a Graham two-door sedan. Next, he produced a Graham parts list for the models 96, 97, 107, and 108. He now told me no 1938 combination coupe would appear in any Graham parts catalog, but the two-door sedans appear in both 1939 and 1940 parts catalogs. I sought out Mr. Jim Williams to learn about his two-door sedan. The collector had given me a copy of his parts book to further my investigation. The fools removed the data plates. By Jim's description, this was his car. I got another lead about a two-door sedan that came from Long Island, New York. I was told all usable parts were saved. The remainder went to the crusher due to its condition. One more lead brought me to a recently discovered Graham two-door sedan. Not a phantom after all, a truly rare find.